The modern sales world operates at breakneck speed. With the constant influx of information and increased competition, today's sales professionals must adapt quickly. So we use Lucid to increase alignment among our internal selling teams, streamlining every step from the initial contact to getting a deal across the finish line. Here's how we do that. We hold regular deal reviews in Lucid so that our reps can involve cross-functional teams and move a deal forward faster. Reps are able to benefit from the expertise, insight, and connections of colleagues and leadership. In order to help leadership quickly understand a deal's background and status, reps bring in their account maps and account plans. These maps help everyone quickly get on the same page ahead of the live deal review. This way, reps can spend the majority of the deal review on discussion to address concerns, identify milestones, and gain executive support to develop solutions going forward. From there, teams can develop outreach and follow-up timelines to help identify next steps and action items so the deal stays fresh. This document allows teams to continue their account plan development into the next stages of the deal and easily make adjustments when necessary. With Lucid, the entire team can monitor deal progression, plan for next steps and additional discovery, and work collaboratively to move deals forward to the next stage.